Uh-oh. Oh, good. Still nothing. Gotta love it, guys. Still nothing. Somebody was wanting this for their little one. Alright. So they got some Ford F-250 haulers. Ooh, check that out. That is super cool. Little Roadrunner. Man, that is nice. Love the deco on that. Ooh, look at this. That is sweet. Now, based off of my experience with these, it's either not going to have an opening hood or it's not going to even have the new Demon motor, but cannot pass that up. That thing is wicked cool. Dodge Super B, another heavy hitter. 67 SSRS. It's nice. Definitely like that. Got the Holly, looking good. Ooh. Chase car. That 250 piece raw chase car. Right on front, guys. First time ever finding a raw chase piece in the wild. 250. Look at that. Sick. Uh-oh. We got a Fox body, guys. 88 Fox. Check that out. So it looks like that's the regular version of that chase car right there. Alright, so I gotta grab the 88, the chase car for sure. This Demon, really cool, especially in red. And this is for, can't remember who it is, but you know who it is because you particularly asked for this. And it looks like that is it as far as anything new for these. But oh, look, there's another Fox. 73, that is really nice. I gotta message my buddy to come get this. He's a Fox body collector too, so gotta stash this and then we should be good. Alright guys, it looks like that's gonna be it. I will take a 250 chase piece to end this because that's definitely something I'm stoked about because I never ever come across those ever in the wild. So Walmart, thank you. It definitely paid off to get here as soon as the doors opened. One more little stop. Love this set, definitely a good one. Corvette one, definitely a good one. Definitely another good one. Got some good ones in here, so kids are gonna get some good Easter baskets, I guess. Check that out. I like that. There you go, Mike. Good old shark. Not too into cars, but I do like the little Corvette, like this one. Little Jeff Gorvette. I like that. That's kind of cool. Looks like that's gonna be it, guys, for this haul. Like I said, I am a-okay with that. So let's go finish what I actually came here for in a grocery shop. Alright. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as always, thanks so much for clicking on this video. Alright guys, so as you saw, I finally scored my first ever chase piece in the wild. I actually did not have to get this from anyone. This is a 250 piece worldwide, and it's a raw chase piece. This thing is really nice. So I almost overlooked it when I found the Fox Body, but check this out. The 1957 Chevy 150 Handyman station wagon Gaster. Such a long name for a really long and cool looking car. This livery looks really nice. I do have my own little collection of Coca-Cola M2s right here, starting to kind of transition into other versions of M2s. But the Cherry Coke looks really, really nice. They actually had the mainline version in a bluish purple. I definitely did like it, but check this out, guys. This thing is really sweet. Love the raw metal casting. You do have the red chrome and red chrome accents everywhere and anywhere on this thing. And of course, the unpainted body. So this thing is awesome. Definitely super stoked to have finally found one in the wild. And then as you saw, I did pick up the Ghostbusters Ecto One. This is for just another diecast channel. He said he has a hard time finding it in his area. I did want to pick this up for him to hook him up, and that way he doesn't have to pay crazy prices. I'll just send this over to him. So got that one for him. Did not want to pass up the Dodge Demon deco of the '69 Charger Daytona. This thing is really, really sweet. So the other M2 that I have of this one is more of an exaggerated, tuned-ish version of it right here. This one has the Hellcat deco on it, which, as you saw, does not have the Hellcat motor in there, so I was highly disappointed in that. So I'm not going to expect anything more or less from this car, but I'm not opening it. I love the packaging of this thing. It is super sweet looking, and of course, it being red, you guys know it is an instant win in my book. So last but definitely not least, I could not be the Mustang hunter without finding more Mustangs. So here we go. The 1988 Fox Body Mustang GT with the Fanta livery. Of course, you do have the 88 on there for the year, and you do have the white wheels with the Eagle Goodyear tires all the way around. So definitely love this one. I love the retro theme of it, just similar to how the Sprite GT350 right here looks. And then of course, the other 88s I do have is the regular Coca-Cola in white. I actually traded away the black one that I had of this, and then I have the black 88 from the driver set, and then of course the blue, which is still my all-time favorite 88. So the other one's an 87 out of the Pez, so I can actually put this right in between, get this green light out of there, hang the green light back up where it was originally. So there we go. That one looks, I love the setup of that. It looks really, really good. So this is gonna go over onto this side of the wall, probably next to the Eleanor, and yeah, I gotta rearrange that again. Awesome haul, guys. Like I said, super stoked to have found this one first thing in the morning. I'm glad I stopped off as soon as the doors opened. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was real short and quick. Again, thanks for everyone who tuned into my live stream yesterday. I'm gonna try to do this every Saturday. That way I can interact with you guys, do some more Q&As, more interactions, all that good stuff. Definitely had a great time doing it. And I definitely enjoy watching everyone who goes live. So hopefully you have a great rest of your weekend, or whatever's left of it. And of course, stay tuned for the next upload. Till next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.